Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford escape door code. First, locate your vehicle's factory set 5-digit code, which is essential for programming a new personal entry. We will then walk through the simple process of entering your desired new code. Finally, I'll show you how to test it to ensure everything works perfectly, giving you peace of mind and secure access. Finding your Ford Escape's factory door code is usually straightforward. Often, it's printed on a small card included in your owner's manual packet, typically found in the glove compartment. If not there, look for a sticker on the trunk latch, or sometimes even under the dashboard near the fuse box. This 5-digit code is permanent and cannot be changed, but it's crucial for setting your own personal code. To program a new personal code, first enter the factory 5-digit code on your door keypad. Within 5 seconds, press the 1/2 button. Then, immediately enter your desired new 5-digit personal code. Make sure to do this quickly, within 5 seconds, for the system to accept it. This new code will now be stored and ready for use, replacing any previous user-defined codes. After programming, it's important to test your new code. Lock your vehicle, then enter your newly programmed 5-digit code on the keypad. The doors should unlock. If they do not, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning, ensuring you follow each step within the 5-second time limit. Once confirmed, you'll have convenient and secure keyless entry to your Ford Escape.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.